Why is my microphone sideways? Good morning, internet land world. It's morning and we're running errands. The plan today is to get these body bushings from Energy Suspension finished up, and in order to do that, I needed to go get some supplies, namely stuff for welding, because I have a welder now, because my good buddy Chris sent me one. And if you want to go check out any of his stuff, you can look up Striving 365 on Instagram or the TikTok and check out what he's doing, because he does some pretty cool stuff working on a super duper custom car. He's basically he's making a car. It's pretty cool. Way beyond what I could do. But he was kind enough to send me a welder so that I can fix all this stuff on Fire Chicken. So thank you, Chris. You're my best friend, even though we live across the country from each other. But he sent me the welder, so now I need to get wire and a helmet and probably some gloves because I'll burn my finger off. Also, Lacey has given me a shopping list of some other things to get, like normal things like cat litter and something pumpkin spice, because she's that kind of person. So there's that. Well, pawn shop was a bust. Ace Hardware was a bust. Though they had a welding helmet, but it's $10 more than the other store here in town. So I'm gonna go there, see if they still have one in stock. Last time I was there, like a couple weeks ago, they only had one. I know what you might be thinking, like, hey, why don't you just go to a welding supply store? I would. There's one here in town. Except they're closed on Mondays, which I don't blame them. I would do the same thing. But it kind of sucks when you're off on a Monday and you got to get your project done on a Monday. You got to go with what you have, which is somewhere that's open on Monday. Is what it is. Next place. Got it. Dang it. Listen, y'all. You get out of the house without your family and do a little shopping on your own, just, have fun with it. Listen, though, if you are going to have, fun and get things that you like candy bars, and enjoy your shopping by yourself time, because even though we're dudes and we say we hate shopping, we like it, especially for welding helmets like this. Go ahead and be cool and get your wife something too, even though it's kind of weird to walk through a parking lot with a fluffy drink in your hand, or have people stare at you while you're wearing a welding helmet in your car and wonder, what the heck is that guy doing? Wyoming's an interesting place. Why is my microphone sideways? All right, so we got welder, and we have to weld down in there. It's gonna be tricky because focus. It won't, because I can't really get my hand directly there, so I either got to reach the hole I cut or from the side. So let's try. Okay, I think we got it about cleaned up as good as I can without a wire brush, because I forgot to buy one. So, let's just do the thing. Did we get it? No. Alright, so first try I just broke the weld, so I'm gonna try welding again, maybe put a little more heat on it or something. Did that do anything? Alright, y'all, looks like we have success. I just tried to turn the nut a little bit and it doesn't feel like the nuts or the bolt in the nut is not spinning anymore. So let's jack this thing up and get this out. Swap these bushings out. Yeah. Alright, after lots of waiting and work, it's finally out. We got that pesky sucker out of there. Yay. So now we can do these bushings and get the good ones in. Back one's already out. Just gotta get the frame separated enough to get this stuff apart. Y'all, look how absolutely mangled these ones are. That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Glad I'm replacing these. Yeah, you have to get under there. Oh my god.
Well, that's alright. Oh, my candle.
Told you were gonna get dirty.
That's alright. I've gotten dirty before.
Dang, girl.
I can't see.
So you gotta put the other part on top first, on top of that spot in between the body and the frame. Yeah. There you go. The safety squints.
Yep, my eyes are closed. I'm just feeling.
Well, you don't put your face directly underneath it.
That's okay.
What do you mean?
Oh, I can't. It's not in there. Am I in the right spot? It's not fitting in there. There's no way.
Yeah, you just gotta slide it through until it drops to that big hole. Is there not enough room?
No.
Oh, yeah. Try now.
No, it's not. My eyeballs.
You want me to try?
Don't run, dude.
Try now?
No, it's not.
Here, let me see. Okay, you're gonna do the back one.
Okay.
So the other, yeah, same thing. That one. Yep. That one on top. And go Wherever the big hole is, right here. Might not be able to reach through, I don't know. Push it up all the way and see if we can thread it. Is it threading in or no?
Yep.
Very cool. I'll tighten it. You gotta click it over, it's still unloosened. What's wrong? I'm getting dirt in your face. Alrighty. All 6 of them are in. Ready to torque. That one is still torqued. I torqued this side when we got them all done on this side. But I had to loosen those two to get those two in. So that one's still torqued. Those two need to be torqued. These 3 need to be torqued. And then all of the body bushings are in. So let's do this. Alrighty, there we go. All of them, all of the energy suspension bushings are in and torqued and set and ready. So that ends that project. I'd like to say a big thank you to Energy Suspension for sponsoring this, and also to my friend Chris for sending me the welder. If you want to check him out, you can look at Striving365 on Instagram and TikTok, and check out what he's doing, because he does some pretty cool stuff building a very, very, very custom car. And also he's got Fire Chicken's best friend F-Bird, his 1970 Firebird, which is customized a bit too. He does really neat stuff beyond my skill levels, so go check him out. He's my best friend. And check out Energy Suspension. They have great products. I don't expect I'll have to replace these bushings ever again in my lifetime, at least. The rest of the car might rot away, but they're polyurethane, so they should be around, and they're made in America, which is pretty awesome. So again, big thank you to Energy Suspension for this, and to Chris. Keep following the build. Check us out on YouTube at Fire Chicken and Friends, or you can search out Fire Chicken and Friends 76. TikTok, Fire Chicken and Friends. Instagram, Fire Chicken and Friends. It's pretty simple. So yeah, like and subscribe and follow and whatever for more to see how this project goes. Awkward ending of video. Done.